Welcome, friend. This is how I create a talking AI avatar.
Want to create a talking avatar on your phone for free? With these two free AI tools, it's easier than you think. Check this out. So we come on over to Copilot, which is made by Microsoft. It's free and you can generate as many prompts as you want. So we come to the top and we're going to paste the prompt. And now we're going to click generate or create. And now these are the images that they came up with. I really love this AI tool because it's really accurate and their colors are vibrant. So I like it, but I don't like that she's smiling. So I'm going to take out the smile part and then I'm going to create again. So these are the results. You just click one. I'm going to show you how you can resize it. So then you click the three little dots at the bottom and then it says resize. You're going to want landscape so that it can fit into your YouTube video. Takes a minute to generate. This is what they came up with. So this is cute. You just download it straight to your phone. And these are the other ones that I already generated. I'm going to show you a couple of them. So this one's nice. I really like these ones. So these are the other ones. I like them all. I like how good they generate, like very accurate. Like see these? These are like really cool. I like how they did the hair. And there's always a white turtleneck and an office background with windows. So I'm going to click this one and I'm going to resize it because I do like that one. This is the resize. Isn't that so good? Now you're going to download it and you're going to take it on over to Canva. This is how we're going to make our avatar talk. I know, right? So you're going to click YouTube thumbnail because you want it to 16:9. And then you're going to scroll all the way to the back and you're going to click apps. Now in the search bar, you're going to look for AI presenters. That one right there, DID AI presenters. So now you're going to click the first one with the guy on it. And now you're going to upload your avatar, the image that we just downloaded. This is her. And now you're going to go down and you can either write text or you can do audio. So with text, you can pick what language, you can pick who you want your voiceover to be. The voiceovers are really good too. So you can upload an audio and you just choose a file, upload it. So I'm going to use text. I'm going to say, welcome friend. This is how I create a talking AI avatar. I'm just showing you how to use it. And then you go down. I'm going to keep it English. I like Ava's voice and that's it. Now I'm going to generate it. So it only takes a couple seconds to generate. And this is what they came up with. I really love this tool. Now stretch it out on the canvas and make it fit. This is what it will sound like.
Welcome, friend. This is how I create a talking AI avatar.
That turned out really good. So now you want to get rid of this watermark and I'm going to show you how to do it for free. So what you do is you come over to camera and you upload the image before you turned it into a talking avatar. You make it fit the canvas and then this little tab right here, slide it over all the way to the end. See how it covers it up? And then you just click it and that's it. She definitely needs some accessories. So how about a computer? So we're going to put in computer and see what they come up with. But we need the back of a computer so it looks like she's on it. So we're going to put back of a computer. So this one's good. And now we're going to remove the background. Just click remove background. And now you're going to resize it so it's small enough to fit right in the middle of her. Great. Okay, so now you're going to want to maybe add a lamp. So we're going to put lamp, and I really like this one. We're just going to shrink it down a bit and put it over here on the table in the corner. That looks really good. Sometimes YouTubers like to put their logo on their computer. So we're going to put a pear, just like, like apple, but a pear. So we're just going to put that on the computer. You could put your logo too, but it doesn't matter. So let's get rid of the lamp and maybe let's put a plant. So this one is really cute. We're just going to shrink it down a bit just so it looks more better on the desk. And maybe let's get rid of that pencil holder. So you just click the photo, not the video, the photo. And now you're going to click Magic Edit. And then you're going to click Magic Tap. So it just says tap. And now you can click on what you want to delete. And then you can replace it right in the prompt. So let's say a plant. And then you click Generate. Now it will give you a bunch of plants that are about the size of the pencil case. If you want something bigger, just erase more. So let's just remove the pencil case altogether. I didn't really like the plants. So we're going to remove and just click Erase. And it's gone. So now you could put something else there. Maybe you want to put some files there. So let's type in some files and see what pops up. Okay, let's use these ones. Shrink them down a bit, put them in the corner. That looks really good. Now you can add anything you want. So now we are going to add a microphone. I mean, how are you going to hear her if she doesn't have a microphone, right? So just type in microphone and go down, find the microphone that you like the most. I like this one. It looks way more professional. And that's it. Now you can download her. So you just go up to the top, click the download button. Now click download. Make sure you have the highest quality and then download. You don't have to click high quality. You can just regularly download it. It still turns out great. And now it's saved to your camera roll. And that is how you create an AI avatar. If you enjoy learning about AI and how to use it on your phone, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button so you can get all the new updates. Thanks for watching.